As we recover from the pandemic, the future of work is reliant upon building back the social fabric of the office. Our insights derived from research and interviews revealed that people from generations Y and Z regard connecting with colleagues at their workplace as important. They noted that meaningful work is when there are opportunities to learn from others. However, there is always an initial hurdle in asking for help whenever they start out, which delays their sense of belonging in the office. Furthermore, they have highlighted that their working environment affects their mood and are seeking flexibility in their office workspace to mirror that of their work-from-home setup. We distilled these insights to encompass two aims in our interpretation of the future of work. 1. Rebuilding the social fabric to one that shares knowledge and strengthens personal connections, and 2. Creating hyper-personalized workspaces at the office. And we address this in our system, Node. Let's start with our app. Diana is currently using it as she heads to work. She chooses a workspace while assessing the temperature and noise levels of the day. This information is derived from indoor environment quality sensors, measuring the comfort levels of her office. Since it will be pretty warm at the available workspace, Diana opts for the work pod where she can customize her work environment. As she waits for the work pod to be vacated, she hovers over to the community board looking to see who she could help out today. This second part of our system intends to build a collaborative community, working in tandem with the board and our app. Thanks to the strategic placements of the boards at areas of high footfall, Diana can answer a request for help from Percy, the shy new intern. Percy can then view what she said on the app, tapping the heart to appreciate her advice, feeling relieved that he can always count on his colleagues for help. On Diana's break at the pantry, a conversation is sparked between her and John. After learning something new about John, Diana checks her phone one last time before getting back to work. She sees her kudos points has increased after Percy liked her suggestion. She beams at the notion that her colleagues trust her, and make a mental note that she wouldn't mind collaborating with Percy when he has another project. The third segment of our system begins at the end of the day, when Diana rates her workspace. Over time, her feedback along with her colleagues will be recorded and synthesized with the daily environmental data of their office. These datasets can then inform the company's decisions about what spaces could be optimized. We envision these same datasets to be synthesized by AI in order to create a more adaptive and hyper-personalized workspace. That way, Diana doesn't need to worry about the next time her favorite work pod is unavailable. The environment in the next workspace she books will adjust according to her previous preferences, letting her work at ease in her most productive state. And with that, we present to you Node, rebuilding the office's social fabric with data-driven, hyper-personalized workspaces.